In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an isolated bicep curl on one of these Swiss balls. Now, firstly, I'm going to grab the weight that I'm using, and I'm going to bring my elbow over the position of this Swiss ball. Notice here how the whole of my elbow is in contact, the whole of my tricep, the back of the arm is in contact with this Swiss ball. I'm going to come directly down, full extension of the arm, and back up. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to control not only the upward phase where I'm coming towards my face, I'm also controlling that lowering phase, and I'm always in a palm up position when I'm doing my repetitions. From a side-on view, the setup, I'm behind the ball, I come over the ball. Notice again how the whole of the back of my arm is in contact here with the Swiss ball. The other hand you can put anywhere. So I'm going to put it to the side of me here, into my body, so I've got balance. And it is all about trying to control that motion and just isolate the bicep. So we've got nothing else working here apart from your grip, a little bit of forearm, and of course the bicep, which is the main primary working muscle in this exercise. Keep your wrist nice and strong. Make sure you don't point the wrist down or point it too far up. Keep that nice neutral position when you're doing your repetitions. Of course, you can do this with 2 dumbbells at the same time, and that would look like this. So it's exactly the same cues, coming down nice and slowly. I'm in a position here where I'm on my knees, and I'm doing each repetition under control. Once you've done your desired amount of sets and repetitions, you've just done your first isolated bicep curl on a Swiss ball.